Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a headlight on a Toyota Highlander. First, make sure you have the correct replacement bulb, typically an H11, and a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Begin by opening the hood and identifying the back of the headlight assembly. This initial step is crucial for safe and effective access to the bulb. Now, you'll need to remove the two 10mm bolts that hold the headlight assembly in place. Once those are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly forward just enough to give you working room. This doesn't require full removal, just enough to access the bulb's rear. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb and firmly disconnect it. This step ensures no power is flowing to the bulb during replacement. With the connector off, you can now twist the old headlight bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Carefully pull it straight out. When inserting the new H11 bulb, make sure to align the tabs correctly and then twist it clockwise until it's securely locked in place. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Now, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Gently push the headlight assembly back into its original position, aligning it with the mounting points. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier to secure everything. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working. Also, check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.